bet you're wondering why I'm standing in this awkward position. Well, it's simple. 1,000 subscribers! Or at least we're on the road to 1,000. Please subscribe. So today I'm going to start part 1 of a series that I wanted to do since the beginning of this channel, which is how to be a superhero. A presentation in self-confidence. A superhero is a person that performs heroic deeds in a way a normal person cannot. What's a heroic deed? That would be a task that involves a lot of courage and valor. And another definition of a superhero is an exceptionally skillful or successful person. I wanted to take the constants that are in people we look at as superheroes, whether they be fiction or non-fiction superheroes, and try to find a common ground. What is it that they all have in common that we can do in our day-to-day to become these superheroes? So the first constant I found might sound a little familiar, because if you've ever watched a superhero movie, it's how every movie starts. The search. This is finding your unique qualities and abilities, whether you have them already or you want to work towards having them. Now obviously in searching, you're going to want to find something that aligns with what you want to do, what you want to give to the world, and what's going to give you energy every day to get you out of bed, moving and kicking as best as you possibly can. On the other side of this rainbow is obviously, yes, finding this calling, finding your passion. What happens when you don't find this passion or calling? What a failure is it's the omission of the expected plan. When you fail, you can learn and move forward. But a loss means that you've given up. It means that you doubt yourself and you do not believe that you can move forward. If you see any sort of failures that may come, do not look at them as failures, look at them as stepping stones. Each failure is there and is built to be there so that you can overcome these challenges, and whenever they come back at you again, you know exactly what to do. The more you search, the more you put energy and effort into finding this passion, the closer you will get to it. And the day that you find it, you will know. The second constant, I call this the Superman outfit. As some of you may know, Superman keeps his costume on at all times. The second constant is to be ready at all times. You want to be focused on your goals every step of the way. There may be times where opportunities will present themselves, and if you are not in that mindset of constantly searching for your goal, constantly thinking about your goal, you're going to miss these opportunities, whether it be a person you meet in the field you're interested in, or possibly some sort of event invitation that can get you closer to meeting these people. The more you think about it, the more you put effort into preparing yourself both physically and mentally to be there for opportunities, the more on point you're going to be to snatch those opportunities when they come. So that's all for part 1 of how to be a superhero. Search for what you want and be ready at all times. If you like what you heard, please leave a like and join us on the road to 1,000, and subscribe to the channel as well. As always, I hope this helps. We'll see you next time.